Good day, everyone. I will be discussing the introduction of the fundamentals of traffic flow and queuing theory. What do we mean about traffic flow theory? This refers to the traffic stream variables of speed, flow, and concentration. These relationships are mainly concerned with uninterrupted traffic flow primarily found on freeways or expressways. Thus, it also refers to the rate at which different people travel over distances. Moreover, traffic flow theory is mainly presented from the macroscopic perspective where aggregate traffic variables such as traffic flow, traffic density, and average traffic speed are considered. On the other hand, queuing theory is the study of the movement of people, objects, or information through a line. Studying congestion and its causes in a process is used to help create more efficient and cost-effective services and systems. This involves the vehicle density affects its speed. We must take note that it is important to realize that the primary function of a highway is to provide mobility. This mobility must be provided with safety in mind while achieving an acceptable level of performance. The analysis of vehicle traffic provides the basis for measuring the operating performance of highways. In undertaking such an analysis, the various dimensions of traffic, such as number of vehicles per unit time or its flow, vehicle types, vehicle speeds, and the variation in traffic flow over time must be addressed because they all influence highway design, such as the selection of number of lanes, pavement types, and geometric designs, and highway operations such as selection of traffic control devices including signs, markings, and traffic signals, both of which impact the performance of the highway. The first fundamental of traffic flow and queuing theory is the traffic stream parameters, where it provides information regarding the nature of traffic flow, which help the analyst in detecting any variation in flow characteristics. It is also understanding the traffic behavior that requires a thorough knowledge of traffic stream parameters and their mutual relationships. There are two types of traffic stream parameters. The first one is the uninterrupted traffic flow. The second one is the interrupted traffic flow. The uninterrupted traffic flow is a traffic stream that operates free from the influence of such traffic control devices as signals and stop signs. This type of traffic flow is influenced primarily by roadway characteristics and the interaction of the vehicles in the traffic stream. Examples of this are the freeways, multi-lane highways, and the two-lane highways often operate under uninterrupted flow conditions. While in the interrupted traffic flow, it is the traffic streams that operate under the influence of signals and stop signs. Moreover, it is the flow occurring at the long sections of roads where vehicles are required to stop by any cause outside the traffic stream. The second fundamental is the traffic flow, speed, and density. Traffic flow, speed, and density are variables that form the underpinnings of traffic analysis. To begin the study of these variables, the basic definition of traffic flow, speed, and density must be presented. Take note that the traffic flow is defined as Q is equal to N over T, where Q is the traffic flow in vehicles per unit time, N is the number of vehicles passing some designated roadway point during time. T is the duration of time interval. Also, its units are capital V small EH over H, even though the analysis flow rate is usually based on the peak 15-minute flow. Aside from the total number of vehicles passing a point in some time interval, the amount of time between the passing of successive vehicles or time between the arrival of successive vehicles is also of interest. The time between the passage of the front bumpers of successive vehicles at some designated highway point is known as the time headway. This equation is defined as T is equal to the summation of H from I is equal to 1 to N. The second definition of speed is more useful in the context of traffic analysis, and it is determined on the basis for the time necessary for a vehicle to travel some known length of roadway. This measure of average traffic speed is referred to as the space mean speed, and it is expressed as assuming that the travel time for all vehicles is measured over that same length of roadway. For us to get the average space mean speed, we will use the equation given below, where the average space mean speed is equal to the space mean speed in unit distance per unit time. L is equal to the length of the roadway used for travel time measurement for vehicles. And the average time is equal to the average vehicle travel time. We must take note that the space mean speed is the speed variable used in the traffic models.